It is truly amazing to note that Tamil Nadu government's move to regulate alcohol sales is definitely a responsible and positive step, like monitoring liquor sales timings, relocating shops away from schools, temples, and bus stands, and reducing the social impact of alcohol. All these reflect accountability and concern for society. At the same time, efforts to curb corruption send a very strong message, which means, accountability must begin everywhere. Here, as a mental health counselor, I want to ask a very important question. Can restrictions alone completely solve addiction? Because today, addiction is not limited to alcohol alone. We are witnessing a growing rise in drug abuse. We are witnessing a growing rise in substance dependency, prescription medicine misuse, vaping, and unhealthy coping behaviors among youth. And addiction begins much deeper. It begins in emotional pain, stress, trauma, loneliness, anxiety, peer pressure, and lack of emotional support from families and also the society. Not all, but it is there and we cannot deny it. For many years, alcohol has been openly available and socially normalized in our system, and it has become part of our system today. So today, if steps are being taken to reduce its impact, then we must also take responsibility for the emotional, medical, family, and social consequences created by years of addiction. And we need to gear up for that, because addiction does not disappear through restriction alone. If we truly want change, then what we actually need, they are de-addiction centers, counseling support, online emotional helplines, hospital care for withdrawal symptoms, detox treatment, medicines, rehabilitation support, and also emotional wellness education across schools, colleges, hospitals, and communities. And here is something very powerful that I would like to mention is recovered addicts and even former TASMAC employees can become volunteers, awareness educators, and support staff. Who can explain the dangers of addiction better than someone who has lived through that, or those who has lived through that? And this actually would create healing, awareness, accountability, and even re-employment opportunities for the people, for the employees who are losing their jobs because TASMAC is being shut down in many places. Real transformation happens not just through restrictions, but it happens through rebuilding lives. Tamil Nadu can become a model for emotional wellness, healthcare, rehabilitation, responsibility, and social change. And this is my sincere appeal to the government and to every responsible citizen of our society. It is time that we come together and rebuild the place that we are living in. And we need to take responsibility and own it fully. Thank you very much for watching this video.